how to transfer crypto from crypto.com to Coinbase. In order to transfer crypto from crypto.com to Coinbase, it's a very simple process. All you need to do is make sure that your account is verified and that you have enough coins. Now, first of all, what you'll have to do is you need to go ahead and open up your Coinbase wallet. So once you are logged into your Coinbase, you'll have to copy the wallet address of the receiver. So then it's going to direct you to the home page. So once you're logged into your Coinbase account, now on this interface you'll need to go ahead and tap on the transfer button and then go to receive crypto. So then you need to make sure that you've already verified your account. In my case, I haven't, so I won't be able to show you the procedure. But what you need to do is here, after that, it's going to ask you to select the cryptocurrency that you are actually receiving. As soon as you select it, then you'll be provided with a wallet address in the form of a link or in the form of a QR code. Whichever is convenient for you, copy that or save that and then exit out of your Coinbase. Now you'll need to log in into your crypto.com. Due to some security concerns, I'm unable to show you the screen. So what you can do is all you have to do is just go ahead and tap the send button. Then it's going to ask you to select the asset that you're sending, and then you'll be directed to the page where you'll be asked to provide in the wallet address or the QR code. Then you have to do that in entering the exact amount of cryptos that you're transferring, and then confirm your transfer. That is how you can transfer crypto from crypto.com to Coinbase. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.